Hello, good morning students. I hope all of you are good and safe at home. So welcome back to the class. Once again we will start our topic practical geometry. Already we have completed our exercise 4.1 and it is totally based on what is given beta in the exercise 4.1, construction of a quadrilateral where one diagonal is given and all the four sides are given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral? Okay, already we have completed, and now in this today we will start our exercise 4.2, and in exercise 4.2 we will do the construction of a quadrilateral where two diagonals are given and three sides are given. Okay, in second exercise 4.2 we will do where two diagonals are given and three sides are given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral? Clear beta? So for example, this is a quadrilateral. Question is given quadrilateral LIFT. Construct the quadrilateral LIFT where LI is given 4 cm, IF is 3 cm, TL is 2.5, LF 4.5 and IT is 4 cm. So first simply you will draw a rough diagram of a quadrilateral. For example, I am making here a quadrilateral. And what is the name of the quadrilateral? LIFT. Okay, so LIFT is a quadrilateral, okay, where Li is length of Li is 4 cm, IF 3 cm, TL 2.5 cm, this one, and after that LF 4.5 cm, this one is 4.5 cm LF, and IT is 4 cm, and this one diagonal, okay beta, this diagonal is 4 cm and this one is 4.5 and this one is 4. Is it clear? So here you can see this is a quadrilateral LIFT where three sides, this side and this side is given, okay, and two diagonals. So this one diagonal and this one diagonal. Both diagonals length is already given. It means how many sides and how many diagonals are given beta? Three sides and two diagonals are given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral? In your previous exercise you have done where all the four sides are given and only one diagonal is given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral? But in this exercise three sides are given and two diagonals are given. Clear? So one by one, step by step we will solve. So first we have already done our rough diagram. First of all beta, you will make a rough diagram. After that you will make a fair diagram. Okay, so this is a rough diagram of the quadrilateral LIFT. Okay, now we will construct the quadrilateral. We will construct the quadrilateral LIFT. So here you can see both the diagonal lengths are given. So first of all you will select the diagonal. Okay, you will select any one diagonal. So for example, if you are selecting the diagonal LF, this one diagonal, okay, you can select any one diagonal. So here if you are selecting this one diagonal, so you can see downwards of this diagonal one triangle is complete, this triangle. Okay, downwards also one triangle and upwards also one triangle is given, but upwards triangle you can see length of one side is given and one side is not given. Okay, but downwards both the length of both the sides are given. Okay, so you will select that any one diagonal. After that you can check with whatever you will check downwards and upwards which triangle lengths are, both the lengths of the line segments are given. So you can see beta, if you are assuming this one diagonal, LF diagonal, so upwards and downwards, this one and this one, both two triangles are there, one is upwards, one is downwards. But if you will make the upwards triangle, so this length is not given. So first of all what you have to do, you have to make the downwards triangle. Clear? And if you are taking this one diagonal TI, so in TI also left hand side and right hand side two triangles are there. So in left hand side both the lengths are given, but right hand side only one length is given. So what you have to do, first you can assume any one diagonal first. Okay, first you will assume any one diagonal and you have to make the complete triangle. Okay, so here for example I am taking the diagonal LF. Okay, LF. So for example LF, so first you will draw the line LF. And what is the length of LF? So it is 4.5 centimeter. Clear? So draw the line segment LF 4.5 centimeter. Now downwards, okay, this is the diagonal LF. So this triangle is completed because both the lengths of both the line segment is given. This one is 4 and this one is 3. And so you can make the intersection point and it is point I. But upwards, this length and this length intersection point is T, but TF length is not given beta. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you have to complete the triangle, downwards triangle. So what will you do? From point L to I length is given 4 centimeter. So from point L you will take a compass, you will open it 4 centimeter and you will draw the arc. Same from point F. Next point is point F. So F to I, what is the length of F to I? Because this one triangle we are taking better, this one. Okay, so LI or FI we will make, then it will then the triangle will complete. So what is the length of FI? So FI length is 3 centimeter. So same from point F, you will open your compass 3 centimeter and you will draw the arc 3 centimeter. Clear? After that, what will you do? The intersection point of both the arcs. So what is the intersection point? I point. Clear? Now what will you do? You will join the line segment LI and FI. Is it clear? Is it visible better? Okay, yes. So now you will complete the triangle you will join the line segment LI and FI. So you can see this one triangle LIF. This triangle is completed. Okay, because we are making this one triangle LFI. So this triangle we have done. Clear beta? LIF. Now you can write the length. LI is 4 centimeter and IF is 3 centimeter. Now you have to make the upward triangle. So upward triangles, how will you make? First, you can see in this triangle, upward triangle, okay, length of LT is given already. So you will open your compass LT. What is the length? 2.5 centimeter. So from L, you will open your compass 2.5 centimeter and draw the arc. Clear? After that, this is the point T. Clear? Now you can see TF. Okay, next is TF length. So TF length is not given. Okay, but you can see from point I, IT length is given. And what is this length? This is another diagonal. Okay, and what is the length of IT? It is 4 centimeter. So you have the point I. So from point I, beta, what will you do now? From point I, you will open your compass with the help of ruler 4 centimeter and draw the arc. Okay, so this arc will cut this arc. Okay, and the intersection point of both the arc will be point P. Clear? Now what will you do? You will join the line LT and IT, because next arc you have drawn you have made the next arc from point I, not from point F, because FT length is not given. Okay, what is the length of FT? It is not given, but IT length is given because IT is the second diagonal. Here in this quadrilateral, how many diagonals are given? Both the diagonals are given and 3 sides are given. Okay, so beta, we can draw this length. Okay, diagonal, second diagonal length. So IT, it is already given 4 centimeter. So second arc we will start from the point I. Second arc we will draw from point I, and one arc we will draw from point L, because LT length is already given. Clear? Now this one is 2.5 centimeter and this one is 4 centimeter IT length. Clear? Now simply join the line T and F. Clear? You have to join the line TF. So simple. Now you can see LIFT is your required quadrilateral, where LF and TI, IT or TI, you can see these two are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. So this is your required quadrilateral when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Clear beta? Clear all of you? When 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, so how will you construct the quadrilateral? So simply, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, so simple, same like first exercise. First you will draw the rough diagram. Okay, so in the rough diagram, what is the quadrilateral? LIFT. Quadrilateral name is LIFT. So first you will draw the quadrilateral LIFT. After that you will write the length. Okay, what are the lengths given? LI 4 centimeter, IF 3 centimeter, TL 2.5, LF and IT. These are the diagonals, and lengths of the both the diagonals is already given. Now you can easily see in this question, in the rough diagram, 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Clear? Now you have to construct the quadrilateral. Okay, this is the rough diagram. Now you have to make the fair diagram also. So in the fair diagram, simply first of all, in both the diagonals you can take any one diagonal. For example, any one diagonal. So I am taking the LF diagonal. After that you have to check LF, downwards of LF triangle is completing or upwards. So upward, you can see in the upward triangle only one side length is given, but the another line segment length is not given. So downwards you can check. So in downwards both the lengths are given, so you can complete the triangle. So first what will you do? Same work, we will complete the triangle of downwards triangle. Okay, so here LI and FI, both the lengths are given, so we will complete this one triangle LFI. So for completing the triangle LFI, what we have to do? From point L we will open the compass 4 centimeter and draw the arc downwards. From point F 3 centimeter we will open and draw the arc from downwards of the line segment LF, and after that intersecting point of both the arc is point I, and join the line segment LI and FI. Clear? After that, next we have to complete the next one triangle also, upward triangles. So in upward triangles, one length is already given, LT. So draw the arc LT, okay, from point L, open your compass 2.5 centimeter and draw the arc. After that, next length TF or FT length is not given, so leave it. Second, you can see from I to T, okay, I to T, this is second diagonal and it is second diagonal length is already given in the question, 4 centimeter. So from point I, you will open your compass 4 centimeter and you will draw the arc 4 centimeter. It will cut LT length, okay, LT arc, it will cut to LT arc, okay. Now both the arcs are intersection point is T. Now you will join the line LT and IT. After that, simply you can join the line segment TF also. Clear? Simple. By the scale, by the ruler, you can simply join the line segment TF also. Now you can see this is your required quadrilateral LIF. Clear? Now you can write the construction also. So for writing the construction, simply step by step in your own language you can write the construction. So in construction, beta, I am telling you step by step how will you write. One example, exercise first question construction I am telling. So simply first draw the line segment. Draw the line segment LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Second point, from point L, draw the arc 4 centimeter. Arc 4 centimeter downwards of L, and from F 3 centimeter downwards of L. Now third point, intersecting point of both arc is I. Now fourth step, join the line segment. Join line segment LI and IF. Clear? Downwards triangle complete. Now upwards also. So from L, draw the arc 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 and from I 4 centimeter. And intersecting point, same. Intersecting point of both the arc is intersecting point of both arc is T. Now next step, join the line segment LT and IT. After that you will write one more line also, join the line segment TF also, okay. And after that you can write in the last line LIFT, okay. Quadrilateral LIFT is a required quadrilateral. Clear, beta? In the last line you will write LIFT is your required quadrilateral. So construction you can do in your own language, beta. Okay, I am telling the step one by one, step by step how will you write. So simple, you will start from the line segment LF, okay. Draw the line segment LF 4.5 centimeter. After that from L downwards you will open your compass 4 centimeter. Draw the arc. From F also you will open your compass 3 centimeter. Draw the arc. Both the arcs intersecting point is point I. After that join the line segment LI and IF. Now upwards also we will complete the triangle. So upwards also we will draw the arc from point L 2.5 centimeter and from point I 4 centimeter. And both the arc intersecting point is point T. Now join the line segment LT and IT. After that one more step, because you are meeting the line TF also, okay, joining the lines TF and FT also. After that in last you can write line join the line segment TF also, and after that in last line you can say hence LIFT is your required quadrilateral. Clear all of you? And so like that you have to construct the quadrilateral, where when two diagonals and three sides, okay, two diagonals and three sides are given. So you have to construct the quadrilateral like that. Now question number second. Question number second. Quadrilateral GOLD. Okay. Question second, GOL quadrilateral GOLD. Okay बेटा, quadrilateral GOLD where OL 7.5, GL 6, GD 6, LD 5 and OD is 10 centimeter. Clear? So you have to construct the quadrilateral GOLD. Clear? So simple, same like that. First you will draw the rough diagram. So for example, beta, you can see GOLD is a quadrilateral where OL 7.5, GL 6, GL. So this is the diagram. 6 centimeter, GD 6, this one 6, LD 5 and OD is 10. So OD is second diagonal 10. So 1, 2, 3, 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals you can see. Okay. So simply you have to draw the any one diagonal. Okay. So you can take any one diagonal. If you are taking this one diagonal beta, OD. So OD diagonal loge. So you can see this one triangle is completing because both the sides are given. This one. Okay. And if you will take this one diagonal GL, so upwards triangle is completing because both the lengths are given. So you can take any one diagonal. Okay, first step you can take from both the diagonals. You can take any one diagonal. For example, I am taking the diagonal GL. So draw the line segment GL 6 centimeter. Now with GL आप ले रहे हो तो you can see upwards also one triangle, downwards also, but in downwards triangle only one length is given. G or OG length is not given. So first you will complete the triangle where both the sides and both the lengths are given. So first we will complete the upwards triangle. Okay. So GD is also given and LD is given. Okay. So we will complete the triangle GDL. GDL. So from point Z you will open your compass 6 centimeter and draw the arc 6 centimeter. Okay, like that. After that from point L you will open your compass 5 centimeter and draw the arc. Intersecting point is point D. Join the line segment GD and LD. Clear this one? Upwards this one triangle is completing. Okay, completed. Now what you have to do? You have to draw the downwards triangle also. So in downwards triangle, first of all you will check what is the length given. So LO length is given and it is 7.5 centimeter. So from point L you will open your compass 7.5 centimeter and draw the arc like that. Clear? So this is LO. Okay. After that first beta you will write these lengths also 6, 5. Clear? Now this length is given but GO. This one length is not given. So but second diagonal is given and this is GO diagonal DO. And what is the length of DO? 10 centimeter. So from point T you will open your compass 10 centimeter and draw the arc. And both the arcs will intersect the point O. Clear? Because this one and this one both the lines intersecting point is O. Now you will join the line LO and second line is DO. And this is the length 7.5 and DO. This is your second diagonal and length is given 10 centimeter. Second arc you will draw from point D because this is DO line segment is given and this is second diagonal and length of this diagonal is 10 centimeter. So second arc we will complete from the second diagonal beta. Okay. In these type of questions in this exercise second arc we will complete from the second diagonal. So from point D you will draw the second arc DO and this is 10 centimeter. Now simply join the line segment 0 also. So you can see GOLD. This is your required quadrilateral GOLD and you can write the length is not given. GO length is not given so you can leave. Okay. GOLD is a required quadrilateral. Clear? GOLD is a required quadrilateral. So like that you have to construct the quadrilateral where 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Clear beta? So you can construction you will do yourself step by step, only you have to write the steps. Clear? Now we will start our third question. One more question in this exercise. Question number 3. Rhombus. What is given? Rhombus. In question number 3, rhombus is given and HEAR. rhombus HEAR, HEAR, and HE is 5 centimeter, EA 6 centimeter, and angle R is, sorry, this one is question number, sorry beta, sorry, I have written exercise 4.3. 4.2 question number 3rd, last question. It is given beta rhombus BEND, where BN is 5.6 centimeter and DE is 6.5 centimeter. Clear? BN is 5.6 and 6.5. Clear? So how will you construct the rhombus BEND? So first you will draw the rough diagram of BEND, means rhombus. For example, this is your BEND. Clear? This is your rough diagram of rhombus BEND. Now you can see BN is 5.6. So BN, what is BN? This one diagonal is 5.6. And second diagonal D, this one is 6.5 centimeter. So length of both the diagonals are given, but length of sides is not given. Okay, length of sides are not given, only diagonal length is given. So how will you construct the rhombus beta? Okay, I have told you here 3 sides will be given and 2 diagonals, so you will construct the quadrilateral. But here only diagonals are given, lengths of the sides are not given. You know very well beta, okay, rhombus all the sides will be equal in the length, but here no side is given. So this is different type of question, you have to understand it. Okay, first what will you do in this type of question? For example, in both the diagonals you will take, first of all you will take any one diagonal. Okay, from both the diagonals first you will take a one diagonal. So for one diagonal, which diagonal you will take? So first I will tell you this one also, you have to take the odd one diagonal. So beta in 65 means, for example, we are removing the decimal. So first one 65, second number is 56. So in both the numbers you have to take the odd one number. Okay, so what is the odd number? So 65. So it means you will take the odd number length. So first we will draw the diagonal 6.5. So this is DE diagonal, DE 6.5 centimeter. Clear? Now second step, what you have to do, you will take a compass and you will open it more than half. Okay, what will you do now? Now you will do the perpendicular bisector of DE line. Okay, इसका क्या करना है आपको? Perpendicular bisect करना है. So perpendicular bisect कैसे करते हैं बेटा? You will open your compass more than half. Half से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आपको आपका compass open करना है, and you will draw the arc upwards also and downwards also, like that. Clear? From point E also same, you will open the compass and you will draw the arc upwards and downwards. So this one, okay, both the sides will be, you will draw the arc. After that simply you will draw the line. Okay, you will draw the line, simple. Okay, straight line you will draw. Okay, you will draw the straight line. Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector of 6.5. This line. Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector of DE line, and length of this line is 6.5 centimeter. Clear? Now what you have to do beta? You will open your compass. Okay, what you have to do now, second length. Okay, length of second diagonal. This one diagonal. Length of second diagonal. What is the length of second diagonal? Okay, it means first you have to draw this part. After that, lengths of all the sides you can complete. So we are completing this one part, plus part. This one in rhombus we are completing the plus part. So this one line or length we have taken. After that we have to draw this length also. So what is the second diagonal length? It is 5.6 centimeter. What is the length? 5.6. So beta second diagonal is 5.6. So what will be the half of this? What will be the half of 5.6? So you can say 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 6. So it will be 2.8. 2.8 centimeter. Now what you have to do? You will take a ruler and compass. You will open it 2.8 centimeter. You will put it at this point. Okay, intersecting point of both the lines. This point, and draw the arc upwards also and downwards also. Here 2.8 centimeter. You will open your compass. This is the half of 5.6, and you will draw the arc upwards also and downwards also. So this line complete from here, this arc to this arc, it will be the complete line of 5.6. Okay, second diagonal length. Clear beta? After that from this arc, and from this arc you will join all the line segment. So this line, this line, this line, from E also, and from here also. Clear? So this is NB. First of all, you will write the diagonal, this diagonal length also, this name of this diagonal. So this is NB diagonal. Okay. So after that you will join the line ND, NE, EB and DE. So first of all you will draw the arc. How many arc, beta? Which length of arc? So simply you can see second diagonal length is 5.6 centimeter. So you have to complete arc 5.6. So what will be half of 5.6? So it will be 2.8. So 2.8 ऊपर की side and 2.8 नीचे की side, बेटा, downwards and upwards. Okay, you will draw the arc, and if you will measure the length of complete this arc to this arc, so it will be the complete length of 5.6 centimeter. After that, simply from this arc you will join the point this one and this one. You will complete this triangle. Downwards also you will complete this triangle. So you can say BE and D is your required rhombus, and here length of all the sides are given and diagonals are DE and BN. So DE diagonal is 6.5 and BN diagonal is 5.6 centimeter. Clear? So first step, because this is a different type of rhombus. Okay, so how will you make this type of rhombus? So simply when both the diagonals are given, so how will you complete the rhombus? Okay, so बेटा अभी आपको पता चला कि आपने odd number, odd one वाली diagonal इधर क्यों लिया और even वाला इधर क्यों लिया? Because यदि even लोगे तो even का half करना easy है. यदि आप 6.5 यहाँ पर लेते तो बेटा 6.5 डिवाइड बाई 2. ओके, सो वो चलता रहता है, वो डिवाइड ओके एग्जैक्ट आपको नंबर नहीं मिलता. ठीक है, सो व्हाट विल यू डू? यू विल टेक द ऑड वन फर्स्ट. आफ्टर द सेकंड इवन वन डायगोनल्स यू कैन डू द इजीली हाफ ऑफ दैट. क्लियर? So first, when both the diagonals are given, so first you will complete this one side, like this one length, you have to complete the plus sign. After that, after completing this, you can simply join these lines. So it will be your required rhombus. So first you will draw the first diagonal. This is odd one diagonal, so it is 6.5 centimeter odd one diagonal. Okay, जो odd है, odd number है, वो वाला diagonal first you will draw. So first you will draw the odd one diagonal. It is DE 6.5 centimeter. Now you have to draw the second diagonal also. So second diagonal कैसे ड्रॉ करोगे? सिंपली आपको ये नहीं करना है कि इसको सीधा स्ट्रेट लाइन में कर दिया और फिर उसको डिवाइड कर दिया. पहले इसको परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्ट करो. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्ट करोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? बिल्कुल मिडल से लाइन मिलेगी. ओके, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर का मतलब है कि इसका आपने परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर किया है तो हाफ हाफ में डिवाइड कर देगा एग्जैक्टली. आपको मिडल लाइन मिल जाएगी. ठीक है, सो यू विल डू द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. और परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्ट कैसे करते हैं? ओपन योर कंपास मोर देन हाफ. हाफ से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा कंपास को ओपन करना है ऐसे, और ऊपर भी आर्क, नीचे भी आर्क. फ्रॉम ई ऑल्सो अपवर्ड्स एंड डाउनवर्ड्स बोथ द साइड्स यू विल ड्रॉ द आर्क एंड simply by the scale you will join the line. Now you can see second diagonal length is 5.6. You will do the half of this. It will be 2.8. Now you will open your compass at the help of ruler 2.8 centimeter. You will draw the arc upwards also and downwards also. जहाँ भी आर्क कट करेगी इस लाइन को, यहाँ से इस लाइन से इस आर्क तक इसकी कंप्लीट लेंथ कितनी होगी बेटा? 5.6. 2.8 ऊपर की साइड and 2.8 downwards. Clear? So after that you have to join the, you will give the name of the diagonal NB and join the line ND, NE, DB and BE. So this is your required quadrilateral BE and B. Clear all of you? So you have to complete your second exercise. This is all about today. If you have any doubt, please join the doubt class for doubt session. Thank you so much, students.